So now I have the Tiguan in my little DIY shop. I still gotta finish that centerpiece. I gotta cover that up. I gotta climb up there, screw everything in. But for now, we got it in the shop, and I'm gonna start taking the inside apart, getting the airbags out. And also I decided to get the trailer hitch, which I believe is capable of pulling 5,000 pounds. And I know this is not really the best SUV pulling, you know, more than 5,000 pounds, but I'm just gonna put it on just to have that, because this one doesn't have anything. And if we ever need to pull something smaller, a little bit larger or whatever, we'll have something to hook up to it. I took apart the rear bumper, all the little trims and the bottom section and the bottom little cover right here. So that's all taken off. I wanted to do it myself, but I decided to go ahead and just take it to the shop, and the guy's gonna take, I don't know, maybe 2 to 3 days tops. He's gonna prep it, paint it, while I'm working on other stuff on the inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and start removing the visors, brackets, little covers, and A-pillar covers, and I'm gonna start removing stuff over here. And I gotta remove the seat belts as well because they're locked. I ordered new ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up stuff on the inside, get everything out. That's the 2 airbags for the roof. And I'm gonna start removing the headliner. Hopefully that'll come out pretty easily. I'm sure it will. Nothing too difficult. And then once I have the headliner out, we're gonna get to the airbags, remove those, and put the new ones in. to pretty much straighten out a few of the things that were kind of bent a little bit, creased a little bit. So there's no like fabric rips, but there's a little bit of a foam rip here and there on the corners, but you can't really tell that from the inside. 2 of these were broken off, glued those. 2 of these plastic pieces were kind of broken off. I had to fix some of the clips because when I was removing them, I bent a few of them, so that's good to go. And I checked everything on both sides, so that's good to go. New bags in. Here we go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and slide the headliner in. Snap them into the little holes here and there. Start plugging everything in, and then once I get the headliner in, I'm gonna get all this mess installed, and then I'm gonna deal with the seats. 1 seat, actually, not 2 seats, 1 seat, and 2 seat belts later. All right, let's get the headliner in and go from there. So the headliner is done. Roof air racks are done. Everything is good to go. So yeah, that was kind of annoying with all the pins and all the little brackets and all that stuff. So that was really annoying. Really not a fan of doing headliner work, but that's done. And pretty much the hardest part is done of this project. On the next episode, I'm going to tackle the seat and the airbag and the seat belts as well, because they're locked. I did get the seat belts already and the bag, but I didn't get the cover with the foam yet. That's going to be coming in here in a few days, so I'll get that done on the next episode. I'm going to tackle this corner, fix all the wiring, and then I'm going to go ahead and remove this brace bar and install trailer hitch, 2-inch trailer hitch, 4-pin and a 7-pin wiring connector. So if I ever need to pull something, I'll pretty much have the lights and brakes and all that stuff. So that's going to be good to go. So guys, thanks for watching on this episode. We're done. See you on the next one.